Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to pass App World History MCQ Easy Method. Start by skimming questions to spot dates and keywords, then eliminate clear distractors before reviewing remaining answers. Time yourself in short blocks to build pacing and reduce second guessing. Focus on big themes like trade, empire dynamics, and cultural exchange to quickly match choices to common patterns and increase accuracy with each practice set consistently. Begin active reading by underlining dates and locations to anchor each question, then jot a one-phrase note for actors and motivations. Convert vague wording into concrete events or outcomes to avoid traps, and always cross-check choices against your short context note. Use process of elimination to narrow to 2 plausible answers, then pick the one that best explains causation or continuity, which usually reflects AP-style reasoning and intent. Set a regular practice schedule with timed sets of 20 to 25 MCQs, then review mistakes immediately with a one-sentence explanation for the correct choice. Track error patterns by era or theme, and spend extra short sessions reinforcing weak topics until accuracy improves. Mix full practice with quick drills on key concepts like trade networks and empire interactions to solidify recognition and reduce hesitation during the real exam environment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.